Robin Makes a Laughing Sound by Sally Wolf. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. A strong, high branch on which to rest. A safe, dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop. I always look around.